Chromebooks continue to impress, or as we say in Italian, you need to switch to a Chromebook. Let's take a look at some of the more frequently asked questions. This is from google.com/Chromebook/switch-QA. Here we go. What is a Chromebook? Chromebook is a computer that runs Chrome OS. It's fast, it's simple, and secure. An operating system that powers all Chromebooks. Chromebook software is designed and built by Google. Is Chrome OS easy to learn? Chrome OS is designed to be intuitive, so making the switch is as easy as possible. I'd have to tell you that after about a couple years of using one, it is easier than I thought. Can I work and study at home on a Chromebook? Yes. Chromebooks are great for working and studying at home because built-in security, simple setup, Google Play apps, and so on. Are Chromebooks easy to use? Well, if they weren't, I would not be doing this video. What is the everything button? All Chromebooks have the everything button. It's basically a search button. It's one button to find your things fast. Press it to search Google, your Drive, Google Drive, apps and files and more, all from one place. It's basically one launcher button. What if I don't have Wi-Fi? No problem. Chromebooks will keep you entertained and productive even offline. Check your emails with Gmail offline mode. Balance budgets, plan parties with Google Sheets, Docs, look up your schedule, organize to-do list, watch a movie with the Netflix app, and so on. Can I keep using Office? This is important, and the answer is yes, you can. You can download Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint apps on your Chromebook or access through the web to collaborate and stay productive anytime, anywhere. Chromebooks also come with Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. So yeah, no problem there. Is my stuff safe in the cloud? Well, there are lots of advantages to storing your files in the cloud. Files saved in your Drive, My Drive folder are automatically backed up if your Chromebook gets misplaced. Plus, everything is encrypted with the best of Google's security protocols. Speaking of security, every Chromebook comes with built-in security protections, so you're safe from the moment you open your new Chromebook. The Chrome OS comes with multiple layers of security. I have to tell you that as far as security goes, I have not had one issue. These things are about as secure as possible and maintenance-free as possible. Will I lose my stuff if I switch? No. Switching to a Chromebook is simple. Just drop your files in Google Drive on your soon-to-be old computer, then log into your Google account on your new Chromebook. All your stuff will be there waiting for you. So basically Chromebooks, I call the Chromebook the Lexus of Linux because they're about as perfect as possible in terms of what they do. They're a perfect blend of functionality, affordability, and reliability. And these are by far the fastest machines I have ever used. I mean, I can log on, from boot to log on in like 4 seconds, 5 seconds. It is insane. So check out the Chromebook and see if one is for you.